Hello guys, welcome to a Mobi YouTube channel. If you have an iPad with MDM on it, or you just bought a second-hand iPad and found MDM while setting it up and now you want to remove it. So in today's video I'll discuss about how can easily remove MDM from your iPad. Here in first method, just go to iPad settings, then hit the general option, then open device management. Next tap on MDM profile and at last hit the remove option, and it may ask your iPad password. After that, no device management profile is left there. Here in the second method, just download any unlock from description and connect your device using USB. Then choose the bypass MDM option and then choose bypass MDM option. And then click start option, then tap on bypass MDM option and make sure your iPad is on remote management option. Then wait couple of minutes and you get an option of bypassed successfully. So thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave a comment if you have any query.